Good morning, student, and welcome back. Today, I am going to discussing the one more topic. The name of the topic is linking. Okay, so what is the linking and what is the use of linking? We all of you know when you use to any website of any web page, so there is the one hyperlink is there, right? Hyperlink is there. So hyperlink is used when you connect one web page to any other web page, right? Sometimes one web page to any other website also. So this is called linking system. Okay, just you click in a particular line means the hyperlink, that it is open one more website. When the another page is open. You see, I'm already written there. A website is a collection of web page that are linked together means the one page to any other pages through the hyperlink. A hyperlink is the highlighted text when okay when click leads when click okay when click leads to another page. Okay, a hyperlink can be created on text, images, or both. Generally, these links appear in blue color on the web pages. Okay, when the hyperlink, generally the color is which color? Blue color. Okay, on the web pages, but the colors can be modified using following attributes of the body element. The the attributes are link, b-link, and a-link. So what is link? This is the color of the link which has not been clicked even one by the web page visitor. The default color of link attributes is blue. Okay, the default color of the, it is very important things all of you know, because DEF LT default colors of the link attributes is blue. So all of you student keep in your mind, sometimes the short questions are coming. In the B link is attributes or attributes is blue color. Okay, and here this one was the V link attributes, the default color is okay. What is the default color and what is this? What is the use of V link? It stands for visited link. It is the color of link that has been clicked and hence the visited by the visitor at least one. This default color is the purple. Okay, this default color is purple. Okay, correct. And next is the A link. It stands for active link. This color appears when the mouse pointer is placed over the link. The default color of a link is the red. Okay, so all of you understood the linking system is means the one page to any other pages is interconnected, means when you click to one page, now it is lead to another page, right? And the hyperlink, the color is blue color, it is highlighted. Okay, blue color web page, in a web page it is visible, and the link is there are three types of link. Okay, the default color of link attributes is the blue color, means the hyperlink, and the v link is the default is the purple, and the a link is the default attributes is the red color, right? So let's start. Today we are going to discussing the linking system, how to link one page to any other pages. We are going to explain. Actually today's topic is linking. Okay. So let's start, and I am going to create a simple program how to link to one page to any other pages. So we are going to writing the code. See, title, suppose link. Okay, the title is a link because we are working with a link, so the title is the link. Next is the body. Okay, and here is the body section is close, and here is the HTML. Just small program I am writing, then first I am explaining. So here is, suppose I am writing simple a href equal to, this is the name of the file. Suppose first when you click link.html, okay, and here is the click, means when you click, then the next page is open. Okay, this is the link. Is that clear? When you click this particular order, then it is visible. Okay, and here is one more tag is there, a tag. Okay, means you see in this programs HTML here title, you all of you know the title is the link, and the body section, inside the body section you see it is a small, very small programs. I am showing how to link one page to any other page. Means see, here is the one file is there, okay, link.html, and here when you use to link to one page to any other pages, the first you all of you keep in your mind, here is that this is the tag or attribute. See here the ahref equal to the source, means the when you click to click option, when you click of this click option, then the link.html file is open. Okay, so first you all of you save your file, and I am saving this one because it is required like this. Just to save it. Okay, and I saved my file in the desktop. Okay, suppose one.html, save it. Okay, and I am opening the new file, and here is the new file is there. Okay, then again I am showing it is an be careful. Okay, when you save the file, the name of the file is the link.html. see, link.html, then you save it the file. Okay, and save. Now see, the one.html is there. You open this file and you see it is, the color is the blue, right? The color is blue. What you remember when I start the class, I already told you all of you, a hyperlink is highlighted the text. See, this is the hyperlink. See, when you go in the particular area, now see the hand sign is like, see the one sign is coming like, see, this is called the hyperlink, and the highlighted text which is the it link to the another page. When you click to the click option, now it is open the one more page. Okay, and it will lead to the another page. Hyperlink can be created on the text and image or both. Generally this link appear to blue color. See, it is which color? It is blue color. Now let's, when you click, now see, okay, like this, see, when you click, now the color is the red, like this. We click, okay, and when you click, so which page is open? When you click the file is open, this page with the link file is open. Okay, so how it is open? See, just first we open this one. See, I am showing you the page. Okay, see, here is the link.html file is there. Okay, link.html. So when you click, see the link file is there. Okay, HTML is there. and I close the tag using the A tag. Okay, so let's start. I am showing you, and you save it, like you open, like if anything you change then you save it and see this is the file. And okay, this is the file, and I am going to editing something. If I am going to editing, actually some editing is there because here is the file is there. Here I am writing, suppose welcome to HTML class. Okay, and the name of the file, I am changing the file, suppose click.html. Okay, the name of the file click.html. So I change the name of the file. So here in the first page you change it. Okay, you change it here. See the click.html, click.html, just to save your file. And this is your file, just to open your file, and when you click, see the welcome to HTML class. Is that clear? Again I am showing you. Okay, see, it is very tough and very important. Okay, see, this is my file, this is my first file. See, this is the link, this hyperlink is there. When you click, see the color is blue. I already told, see the one page is open. Again you back here, you see we learn in there are the three types of link are there. The first one is the v link, and the second one is the first one is the link, sorry, the second one is the v link, and the third one is the a link is there. Okay, so link is the by default, you see the color is the blue, and the second one is the v link. Okay, and the third one is the a link is there. So v color is the link is the blue color. See, this is the blue color is there, and the a link is the color is the red color, red color. Okay, like this, when you click, see the color is the red, right? The color is red. So when you click, now the next page is open. See the next page. Okay, the next page is open. So like this you create the one page to any other pages using the HTML code. Okay, so it is to, again I am showing you the code because here is the code is there. Again I am showing to which tag is used when you link to one to any other pages. See here the ahref, this is the very important thing when you create a link to one page to any other pages. A tag means the a tag is also called, you see a tag is also called anchor element. Okay, and here a tag is used to, this is anchor element is used to create the link. Actually it is the container element. Okay, container element, you all of you know there are the two type of elements are there, container element and empty element. Okay, container elements means those elements are the opening tag and closing tag. This is the called the, this is called the, okay, container tag. See, here is the a tag is open, right? A tag is open, and there other side is it is only the means the opening tag, like the, for example, see I am showing you, see like the b tag, br tag, like this br tag. Here it is only, here is only the opening tag, not a closing tag. To see this tag is the called the empty tag, right? Okay, and it is the container tag, right? So I hope you all of you understood. So all of you go through it and you practice, and in the next class I am going to explain you how to link to one page to any other pages. Okay, so this is the simply I am showing you how to create a link to one page to any other pages. And see, I am showing you the one more examples. You see how to link to the related of the pictures. Okay, or how to link over the one website to any other website. This all is the possible with the help of this important thing, ahref, right? This is the very important thing. See, so but be careful when you link to one to any other pages. So these names, see here is the names is there. When you click to this option, this page is opening, right? So this name of the HTML file you first you create actually. So if you want to change the name, then you change the name here also, right? Because you see, when I am this the first file, this is my first file, and when you link the this welcome to HTML file is opening, and this is the back option is there. Just using this one, you backward and forward option is there. You backward and forward option, it activated. Okay, so when you use to link system, then the backward and forward option is automatically activated, right? Because you link to one page to any other pages. Okay, and the other case, this is again I am saying you very, because the students are make mistake on this portion only. Suppose here is the name of the file of the source file is suppose the click.html, but you are linked to any other pages, but so the page is not open. Why? Because you changing the name. I already show you, first I click link to link file, but after this again I am change it, because whatever pages you want to link to one page to any other pages, you first you link particular file, you link to one page to any other pages. Okay, so I hope you all of you understood, and all of you go through it and practice it. And the next class I explain briefly how to link one page to any other pages using the A tag, means the intro tag. Okay, and the you there are the two types of links are there: external link and internal link. Okay, so the next class I am going to explain briefly. This is first only introduction class, how to link to one page to any other pages. Okay, so all of you student, you go through it and you practice. Okay, and I hope you all of you understood and practice it. Okay, thank you all of you, take care, and bye bye.